Hey guys, if your NVIDIA Shield controller or rechargeable Shield accessory isn't charging, the charging light never appears, or the battery percentage stays the same even after being plugged in, you're in the right place. Charging problems aren't always caused by a bad battery. In many cases, the issue comes from a worn USB cable, a dirty charging port, an underpowered USB source, or the device failing to recognize the charging connection. These are the steps you can try to fix this. So, let's get started. 1. Connect the Shield device to a 5V wall charger instead of a TV or computer USB port. 2. Inspect the USB-C or micro USB port and gently remove any dust or lint blocking the connector. 3. Try a different data capable USB cable since some charging cables don't provide a stable connection. 4. Leave the device connected for 20 to 30 minutes before checking the battery level if it was completely discharged. 5. Restart the Shield device after plugging it in. Then verify that the charging indicator or battery percentage begins to increase.